Hello, my fellow viewers. At Martech Engineering Ventures, this is what we do and what we do best. Martech in collaboration with Chokes Group of Company. Okay, here we want to take load estimates for solar inverter. Now, at first, I told us that if you are taking a load estimate, the first thing we do is to list out our items. What are the things they are using in the house? Their appliances they use at home. So the first is the TV. So we are taking our items here. As you can see, the column. The second column is the items. The first column is the quantity. How many TV do they have? How many fans are they using? The laptops, the Bluetooth, the decoder, and the fridge. So you're going to write the quantities, and the next one is the rated power. All these items you see has a specific wattage that they use. They have a specific wattage they use. Take for example, the TV is using 120 watts. The fan is using 170 watts. The laptop is using 60 watts. I didn't just assume. It is written at the back of the appliances. Like if you watch your TV, you check at the back of your TV, you see the rated power, the rated wattage that the TV consumes. So on like that. The laptop is 60 watts. The Bluetooth is 80 watts. The decoder is 50 watts, and the fridge is 340 watts. Okay, the next column is our total power in watts. When I say total power in watts, what do I mean? In this case, you have to multiply your quantity with your rated power. So if you're having the TV is 2 TV, so which means the total TV for that house, for that building, or for that for that particular estimate is going to be 2 times 120, which is 240, which means the total power that the TV will be consuming is going to be 240 because we are having 2 TV. The fan at the same time, 2 fan will be times 170. The total power for that particular building of that fan will be 340. The same goes to the laptop. You have 1 laptop. The same goes to the Bluetooth, the decoder, and the fridge. Okay, so the next column is the HD, hour per day. All these items that you listed here, how many hours are they going to work per day? They are very, very important. How many hours they will be working per day? Take for example, the TV will be working for 8 hours per day. It is important to list it out. The fan will be working for 8 hours. The laptop will be working for 4 hours. The Bluetooth will be working for 8 hours. The decoder will be working for 8 hours. And the fridge will also be working for 24 hours. Take notes. Anytime you go in to take a load estimate, after your quantity, your items, your rated power, your total power, which is each of these appliances, the rated power they are using, the total power by timesing it with the rated power. Then the next is the hour per day. You need to ask your clients, how many hours are these items going to work in a day? How many hours do you want to use your TV in a day? How many hours you want to use your fridge in a day? These are very important because this will help you to size your panel and your battery. Okay, now the next is the energy. The energy consumed by each of these items for that day. If the TV is 2 TV and the rated power for the TV is 120, then the total power for the TV is 2 times 120, which is 240. Then the hour in which the TV is going to work for the day is 8 hours. So which means you're going to times 8 hours by 240. And if you're timesing 8 by 240, you're going to have 1,920, which means this TV will be consuming a total energy of 1,920 watts for that day. Good. The same goes to the fan. The same goes to the laptop, the same goes to the Bluetooth, and the same goes to the decoder, which means you're only going to times the hours by the total power in watts. You times it, you get 2,720. You times this by this, you get 240. You times this by this, you get 640. You times this by this, you get 400. You times 24 by 340, you get 8,160. So you sum total all your energy. So this is the total energy consumed. The total energy consumed by the TV is 1,920. The total energy consumed by the fan is 720. I already explained how we get these numbers. Then the total energy consumed by the laptop is 240. The total energy consumed by the laptop, just like that. So you're going to sum all of them. So you summing this to this, you get 14,080. 14,080 is going to be the total energy that will be consumed. The total energy that will be consumed in this building for that day. And you're also going to sum all your total power in watts. You get 1,110, which is the total energy consumed by your load for that day also. You pause it.